In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, what we need to do is open up our Phantom wallet and sign in. All right, so from here, I'm going to click on I already have a wallet. I agree. Continue with email. I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to choose my Google account. That's it here. Click continue. All right, once I'm logged in here, I want to click onto the receive button under where your funds are. So click on receive. Then from here, we need to copy this Solana address. So either click onto it and then click on copy. And now from here, we need to head on over to your CoinDCX app. Now, once you're in there, you want to click onto crypto transactions. Then once you're inside crypto transactions, we want to click onto the withdraw button. Then you want to paste your Solana address in the recipients field. Then from there, you just basically enter the amount of Solana you'd like to withdraw to send over to your Phantom wallet. And I suggest to double check the wallet address to make sure it is correct. Then once you're ready, just simply tap send. And the transaction will process shortly and your Solana will be sent to your Phantom wallet.